Using Zoom through an Extron panel. In this video, we will show you how to use the Zoom Neat Bar that is integrated in a few meeting rooms. To begin, tap the screen on the Extron device to turn the system on. Once the menu appears, tap the Zoom button to switch to the Neat Bar. Once this is tapped, switch to the Zoom panel. This tablet will allow you to interact with the Zoom meeting. To join a meeting, there are two options. First, you can invite the Neat Bar to the Google Calendar invite. The Neat Bar's name can be found in the upper left corner of the screen and should reflect the room's name. Once the room is invited, the meeting will show up on the Zoom panel. Simply click Join to join the meeting. The other option is to select the Join button and enter the meeting ID and passcode. After joining the meeting, you can control the meeting as if you were on a computer, with options of mute, stop video, and share content seen on screen. Zoom participants' volume can be accessed on the screen as well. To end your Zoom session, simply leave the Zoom call by pressing End and then leave. If you have any additional questions, contact the ITS Service Desk. Thanks for watching!